Embassy of Republic of Korea here in New Delhi, with its rare green and sprawling lawns, remind me of many of the beautiful Korean countrysides. The building itself, inspired by the architecture of Agra Fort, is the most beautiful building in this diplomatic enclave of Chanakyapuri in New Delhi. The sheer grandeur of this imposing structure catches the eye of everyone who passes by its prestigious portals. These wonderful settings, we are on a mission to introduce the amazing Korean food culture to you all connoisseurs and gastrophiles like you and me, to the amazing Korean cuisines. Let's go in. 안녕하십니까. Hey, namaste. So this is the famous Chef Kim. Why don't you introduce yourself, Chef Kim?
안녕하십니까. 저는 관조요리사로 일하고 있는 김지열이라고 합니다. 저는 한국에서 아름다운 섬 완도에서 자랐고요. 네, 그리고 조리고등학교에서 요리를 배웠고 지금 한국 대사관에서 한국 음식을 소개하고 있습니다.
Wow, isn't that wonderful? We can't wait to cook with you, Chef Kim. Thank you. Shall we go in?
Yeah.
Thank you. So this is the place. We are in the main living room, or we are privileged to be here where His Excellency shares his own personal time. I'm so glad to be here, Chef Kim. Thank you so much. Welcome to the show. We have got everything ready for all of us to enjoy the delicious Korean cuisine. Let's meet Chef Kim again and two of his members. Welcome to the show. Chef Kim, we can't wait to have our first dish for the show. What is it?
Today we're gonna make Gujeolpan.
Wow. So this is the royal cuisine of Korea. As you can see the dish, the 7 of the colorful, tasty dishes would be displayed here. And what will be there in the middle?
It's kind of Korean chapati.
Korean chapati. Wow. Let's go ahead. Yes.
We're gonna slice carrot. Next, we're gonna slice zucchini. Place 2 bowl. And next, we're gonna make cucumber julienne. In Korea, we use just the only skin. And slice it. And let's slice shiratake. When you're cutting some ingredient, you have to hold your finger like this. Now, I'm gonna slice tofu. No, thin slice. Now we're gonna seasoning, put some salt, add the carrot and zucchini, tofu, cucumber. Prepare spoon and bowl. 1 soya sauce in it, sugar 1 spoon, onion 1 spoon, and some pepper, and mixed. Sugar and garlic. Mixed with shiratake.
So we just saw that you chopped the carrots first,
Yes.
and then the zucchini,
Yeah.
and then you moved on to tofu,
Yes.
mushrooms as well, and then you put some salt,
Yes.
right, to keep them marinated
Yes.
for some
Yes.
time. And what are we going to do next? You're doing something with the eggs now.
Yes, we have to make eggplant.
Eggplant,
Yes.
right?
With egg yolk and egg white.
I see.
Yes.
So are we going to heat up the ovens now?
Yeah.
All right, yes. So we have finally started to cook. Yes, I'm excited about it. Please go ahead.
Yes. And we have to separate egg yolk and egg white and mix well. Induction and put on 8. Put some oil. We're gonna saute all ingredients now. Okay, enough. Yes, pan is almost heat up, and then I'm gonna saute cucumber. Just stir fry 30 seconds. Put oil again. Carrot. We have to stir fry until 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, I'm done. Oil put. Now we're gonna saute zucchini. So I think your zucchini is very thick, so I have to take time.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes, my zucchini is done. Now I'm gonna saute tofu. My tofu is done. And now I will stir fry mushroom. Yes. And we're gonna make eggplant. First I gonna cook egg yolk at the low heat
Let's turn it over.
and turn it over. Cooking 30 seconds more. It's done. And now we're gonna cook egg white. It's also up. We have to make fillet. It's very hard to cooking because of very weak. Egg white is done. Let's start to cut the eggplant. We have to slice very thinly. Egg yolk also have to slice it. We have just one step left. That's we have to make Korean chapati. Now we're gonna make Korean chapati batter. Put some cup of flour. Put some salt in it. Yes. Yes, cup of water. Mix with his whisk. Our batter is ready, so we have to put some oil and swipe oil. 1 spoon of batter. We have to prepare 6. When the batter is coming up, it means done.
Lovely. So let's see, what did we make? This is the royal rainbow. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, so we are ready here with the second dish of our day, which is called as Sinseollo. What is it? It's a royal hot pot of Korea. Let's learn about it and see what do we have today here with our chef Kim. So what kind of a royal hot pot are you going to serve us today?
We're gonna make vegetable hot pot. When we make the hot pot, we used meat stock.
Oh,
But for the Indian, we just gonna make vegetarian sinseollo.
so nice of you. Thank you. So he has got a vegetarian version of the royal hot pot for us. Just to talk about it a little more, it was found in the Joseon dynasty, and then where did it get its name? The pot itself, if you look here, that is, we prepare the meat soup in this, which is garnished with the vegetables and everything, and in the middle some charcoal is placed. We can't really wait to see this wonderful recipe. Let's go ahead. Thank you.
Normally, the original way to make sinseollo, we used to put meat stock in it. But today, I just gonna make vegetarian sinseollo for the vegetarian Indian. And pour some water in it, and we're gonna put seaweed in it, lick 1 onion and radish. Take cover. We have to boiling like 1 or 2 hours. I'm gonna cut vegetable or ingredient. I'm gonna cut 3 centimeter high. You can cut it like this. Prepare 3 pieces. Cut tofu also same size. Carrot also cut same size. I'm gonna cut cucumber. Remove the seed. Next step is zucchini. First, remove the seed, same like cucumber, and cut it with 3 centimeter. Then cut the shiratake, same like previous ingredient. We're gonna cut onion. No, just slice. And now I'm gonna make tofu ball.
It's for decoration on the top. So mashed tofu, they put some salt in it, mix well. 3 pinch of starch. And now we're gonna make tofu ball. You have to make 6 pieces of ball. I hope you make more small. The 6 pieces of tofu ball is ready. I think stock also done. And then from now we're gonna saute all of the ingredients. Put some oil and heat up the pan. Yes, now I'm gonna saute all of the ingredients. Put some salt in, because we're gonna boiling after that. Stir fry onion. Okay. Put some salt. We have to stir fry until the golden brown. Yes, I think it's done. Yes, don't mash the tofu.
Wow. Oh, it is the onion. What would be the next step? It was very interesting to see the instead of the meatballs, you made tofu balls, right? These look so delicious, aren't they? Very nice. You're doing it very well. Yeah? Wow. Little different in shape, but yes, the tofu balls have come, right?
Onion done. Now we're gonna make egg pellet. First we have to separate egg yolk and egg white again. Put some salt. Mix. The pan is already ready, so I just gonna cook now. Turn it over. Egg yolk is done. They are gonna cook egg white. During the egg white is cooked, I just gonna cut egg yolk. Egg white is ready. And egg white also cut same size. Guys, doing well. I think you have to turn it over. Egg white is getting burnt. We have to saute tofu ball, roasted until the golden brown. You have to stir carefully because it's very weak. It's easy to broken. Yes, tofu ball is done.
Chef Kim,
Yes.
first of all, we prepared the stew with 4 things,
Yes.
right? We prepared it with seaweed, onion,
Yes.
radish,
Yes.
and
Leek.
yes, right. So the spring onion stem, you can say. He has a concept that is everything should be cut in 3 centimeter. So yes. So we started cutting with carrot, mushroom, capsicum, zucchini, then cucumber, tofu, and the egg. So everything was cut and fried. So we've stir-fried the vegetables together. Now what is next? I mean, I can't wait to go ahead. Now what are you going to do next?
We're gonna plating on the plate. Now,
Oh, you mean my favorite hot pot. Oh, wonderful.
thinking about color.
Yes.
And then we're gonna set up now.
Let's go ahead. I can't wait for it.
Put all of the stir-fried onion in it. And we're gonna put vegetables. We are on the last step. Put ball on the top.
이거는 신솔로를 위한 육수고요. 신솔로는 원래 왕께 드리는 음식이라서 항상 따뜻함을 유지해야 하기 때문에 전통적인 방식으로 수술 안에 넣어서 내어드립니다.
Ah,
따뜻하게
right.
드실 수 있어요.
Yes, very true. So this has been a royal food. So we always pour the soup is poured right before eating when it is served in front of the royal guest. It's poured inside the vegetables here, and then to maintain the temperature, we put the charcoal in. Oh, that means it's time for us to eat now?
Yes.
Wow, we can't really wait to enjoy this royal food today. Let's go ahead to the table. Thank you. Finally get the rainbow of vegetables on our plate. Wow. So what do you call actually this pattern of using your hands and putting all the things inside and eating?
Usually called sam.
Sam. Okay. So can we say that we Indians love to sam with roti? Oh, that's a word for all of us Indians to know, right? And fantastic. It's delicious. The soft crispiness in different ingredients here, all the vegetables, especially tofu, is amazing. I'm sure a lot of Indians would love to try this recipe at home. It is beautiful. It gives you a beautiful feeling within. I'm enjoying the royal dinner. So we all enjoyed the royal meal, amazing, colorful, beautiful, bright, and we really felt like kings and queens today. We must say thank you to His Excellency for providing us such a beautiful ambience. Thank you very much. But this is not the end. We have something more amazing coming up for you. So wait for it. 감사합니다.